Want to know how to create your own home solution system? Let's get started. Open your browser and go to home-solutions-planner.flexistorage.com.au. Upon opening, you will see a button labelled Let's Get Started. This begins the process of your planning journey. First, you will need to select the type of system you would like to create out of the following two options: strip and bracket, or frames, connectors and baskets. In this case, we are selecting frames, connectors and baskets. Click Let's Get Started. Step 1. Tutorial. It is time to learn how to build your system by clicking on the Learn How to Build button. Use the arrows to read through the steps. It is very important that you read through this tutorial as it covers areas such as adding new sections, selecting frame heights and crossbar widths, dragging accessories into available slots, adding and removing accessories, adjusting the length and height of your system. Once you are finished, click Close. Step 2. Creating your frames. Start building your frame by clicking on the button in the middle of the window. Choose your frame height by selecting from 3, 5, or 7 basket runner frames, then selecting crossbars that are either 435mm or 230mm wide, which will determine the width of your frames. Click Add Frame. Basket options can be found on the right-hand side of the page in the scroll-down menu. You have a choice of full or half-width baskets. To add a basket onto your frame, drag and drop the desired basket into place. A green guide will pop up to help you determine the space between each basket. As you drag and drop more baskets, your system price and dimensions will update according to each piece. You can choose to add other accessories by clicking on either of these two orange buttons: casters, frame feet, or tabletops, to finish off your design. Clicking on the 3 dot points icon will bring up your shopping list. This contains all the pieces that you will need to purchase from your local Bunnings store. If you get stuck at any point, clicking on the question mark icon will allow you to view the tutorial again, as well as the installation video. Click Next to continue. Step 3. Design Summary. Here you will find a breakdown of all the pieces you will need for your system, a preview of your design, a final price, and a design code. This design code will allow you to access and change your system at any time. If you would like to order the products via the Bunnings website, click on Checkout at Bunnings. This will take you to the order summary page on the Bunnings website. All your products available will be in the Bunnings shopping cart ready for checkout. To receive your shopping list via email, enter your details into the boxes provided on the lower right-hand side of the screen and then click Submit. Your emailed shopping list also includes a Checkout at Bunnings button. You have now created your very own basket and frame system and are ready to head into store with your shopping list. Alternatively, visit the Bunnings website to buy online. Happy shopping!